We all know how important it is to be insured in this job, and that's why we've partnered with Markel Direct, who provides specialist public liability insurance and more for your trade.
Get a quote at markeluk.com/ball builders.
Is the heating on in there yet?
Huh?
Is the heating on in there yet?
No.
God, it was cold down there today.
Bloody freezing.
This is like what we said through the whole build, isn't it? We literally had one glorious day yesterday.
Yeah.
It was alright the day before actually, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was okay.
It was still cold, but the sun was out on that day.
Yeah.
We were all here in t-shirts yesterday, t-shirts and shorts, and then today, I feel like I need even more layers on it.
It is freezing outside.
Looking good in here though, isn't it?
Looking very good. It's a bit dark in here actually.
Yeah. Yeah, I really like this detail that we've done. Which is nice. Just to get these speakers cut out shortly. So it's a template that they give you. So obviously screw that up, draw around it, and then we're going to cut that out.
Cool.
We just decided on locations. So obviously we've got the clothing going up,
Yeah.
which is that line I've drawn on the ceiling. So do you keep the speaker in line with the lights and it be a little bit closer to the clothing?
Yeah.
So if you look down that line, that's slightly off to the lights,
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
but then it's central on this corner.
Mm.
So Brad's on radio currently, so I've just sent him a couple of pictures showing him with it central to the lights and the clothing, and then obviously nicely with the clothing central like that.
Yeah.
So,
It's got to be central to the corner, surely.
yeah, it's just I don't like, you see this line here now, when you look down there, I don't like looking down that line and that speaker being on.
Yeah.
My dad said you treat it as a different thing, it's not a light.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, we can see.
we can see. Yeah, okay.
Now if I change that, so I've got two marks set up here. That. Then keeps it in line with the lights. So now if you stand back and look down that line, that line does look nice with the lights, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that looks better.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
What does they look like this way?
See? See if I showed you that, you thought the other way was better, didn't you? That's why it's good to try it both ways to see what you think.
Yeah, definitely that. Anyway, lads, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
You're happy you're going away?
I'm very happy, yeah.
Don't push the shoes there now, don't you?
Oh,
You're tired.
definitely, mate. Tonight?
Tonight.
Yeah.
So I marked around my template, so I drew around that with a pencil, and now I'm just using the pad saw to cut it out. Ta-da!
What are you going to do next one?
4 more now, 3 more even.
Yeah.
So this is 600 by 600. So just gone 3 and 3, and then obviously put a screw through the centre of this template. Obviously that was away slightly, so I knew where that point was. And obviously now that I just spin on there, but just draw around that now. Take that back on.
Bradley?
Just looking at the speaker, I just want to make sure it fits. Should do, because we followed their template. But we've just got to take the grill off first. So come back to me in a sec. Pops out like that. That's the speakers, so we've cut all the holes. We're not going to put them in properly, but we'll just hold it up there to show you, because that grill comes out in the speaker. And then what happens is, there's 4 screws in there, which turns those and brings them down tight to the ceiling.
Right.
So I'm just going to leave that loose. That's what it will look like.
Nicely in line with the lights.
It's nice, isn't it? That?
Yeah.
Ted's just told us he's not going to leave the house, leave the gym, sorry, once this is done.
Yeah.
And
The warmest place in the house. Oh, here.
we're not sure if that's for working out or chilling out.
Yeah. How long do you think it's going to stay as a gym for before they put a sofa in there? And
There will be a sofa.
Yeah.
I'm going to bring the fishing bed and sleep there.
your fishing bed.
Yeah, sleep on a fishing bed.
It'd be well set up in there with the speakers, the telly, gym equipment, and the bed. That's all you need, Ted, isn't it?
Little beer fridge.
Little beer fridge.
Yeah.
Back out into the rain.
Lovely.
So yeah, we're just going to start putting the render carrier boards on now.
Cool.
So we've got 1 week until the renderer starts. So we're just going to start this today because we didn't think we was going to get on this until Monday.
Right.
So just going to try and give ourselves a little head start on next week, see if we can get some up. And what we're going to do here, we're going to start from the top. So you can imagine, obviously the top's nice and straight, level, and the bottom's got a 70mm fall from front to back.
Right.
So obviously if we was to start at the bottom, we would have to already put that cut on. So what I'm going to do is send these right up to the top and work my way down. So that last one is just a nice cut and nicely in. And just as we say that, the rain comes down everywhere. But yeah, no, I don't think they'll take too long, to be honest. The cutting's going to be the worst part on these.
Yeah. What do you cut them with?
So Sam's had some blades sent out that I think go onto my Festool, the rail saw, which would be handy if it does, because it's a nice easy cut straight through. But these again, we're going to set up for whole boards, so we've got 2.4 to there, and then I'm going to put an extra batten on there, just so that when the next one goes on, we can go straight through again. Yeah, so we're 5245.
Nice. Nice and easy.
Yeah, it's just nice. So we come up to there, so 2 whole boards take us to there.
Yeah.
Another batten in, and then we'll have a cut from there to there. Should be nice.
How many screws are you going to put in on this, Brad?
I'm going to do the same as plasterboard. So
One
now
of each.
do one in the middle, and then one in that, one in the centre of there to there, and the same from there to there.
Without that, you can't knock walls down, I can't put steels in and stuff like that. So you're planning, you imagine that there, that phone call there, I'm planning 6 weeks ahead already on that. Because in 6 weeks' time, we should be knocking down the walls, thereabouts, in showers and putting steels in. Or 7 weeks' time, whatever it is, after we get the calculations.
Right.
That's building. You've got to plan. Like the same with this. Same with this, with the lighting, it's all about planning. You've got to wait a little bit. You imagine this is the customer's job, and they're like, hurry up and finish, but you can't because I can't fit the lights because they're on order now. So you've got to make sure you've always got something else to do all the time. So if you are running a project or a building job, this is quite a good channel to learn from as well, I think. It's teaching, we're sort of giving you the inside scoop on how to run a job and procedures in place and whatever else as well. So, anywho, like you know when you're doing like that, I can just feel a little bit here.
Do they bounce when you're on downstairs?
Not bounce, nah. No, I got like it's muscle, bro. Don't worry about that, cunt.
Oh yeah, solid.
It's muscle, bro.
Solid.
Oh look, you can feel that, bro.
Look at that.
What just happened?
But there's a bit weak. There's a little bit. I haven't got my mindset to diet. I've got the mindset to go to the gym each day, but really and truly, the gym without the diet, it's just then you're only doing it to just for maintenance and for your nut.
What are we having for lunch today?
I know. McDonald's. Because I've got to go there, do that delivery, wait for Sam, and then when Sam comes, me and him want to go and do the McDonald video.
Okay.
And then we'll take your orders.
Nice.
Alright?
Looking forward to it.
Happy meals all round.
Yep.
So we just changed over the blade in there. So they sent us a blade from No More Ply. So we've done that. I'll show you the box in a minute so you can show the details on it. You won't see it through there.
No.
But yeah, we've just changed that over. Just mark this board up.
Well done. Two brothers?
I'm just tidying the bottom of the sill up, and I've got a plan, my friend. We're talking about putting a trim underneath here to box this off, because we've got like 15mm from the sill thickness out. So I'm going to render board into the reveal down, then there's vent, rendered, whatever else. And we're talking about alley, but it's expensive, man. Painted alley's expensive. Like, it's working out online, to get it online, 3 metres for that door and a metre for this, it's working out like 150 quid. Cement board, 12mm. So I'm going to put cement board, stick cement board on using CT1 underneath this door and underneath that door, and then we'll paint that cement board in to the door colour, so we'll get some exterior white for that and some exterior black for that, because that's what the alley was going to be anyway. And we're doing cement board because you can see it now because it's red, but you won't see it when it's that colour, the door. When's Valentine's?
Next week, haven't they?
Is it? I don't do Valentine's.
Was it not?
No, I do anniversary.
Right.
I show love to my wife on anniversary, but Valentine's I ain't interested.
Yeah.
I've got no time for it.
Yeah.
Right, Brad can cement board that in now. See that? So it goes from there to the underside of there, straight up, cement board, and that'll box all that in. You fold that down like that, and that'll box it in. We are indeed, we're at my daughter's house. She's filming for the Hansons page. So if you don't actually, and you're over at our YouTube channel at the moment, watching this part of it, then go over to the Hansons on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Yes, it's all happening. Anyway, we are currently at my daughter's house and we are about to take delivery for roof tiles for there. So we've got all new roof tiles we're going to be replacing there. We've got the lead already. Windows are going to be on order hopefully tomorrow, today. Oh, it's Friday actually. Got to get them windows on order. And we've got some timber in there. We've got some insulation coming from About Roofing right now. Load it in, because in about a week or so's time we're going to be attacking the project full time. We're going to be on here for about 3 months. We've got an extension to build around the back. We've got loads going on, because hopefully in June, us as a family, we move into it. We're going to be vacating our other premises and moving in with our daughter for a year, probably 18 months. Dad, you didn't say that long. Well, it all depends on how long it takes to do our house up. So when our house is done, we're going to move back into our house. But for now, we're going to be sharing this. She thought he was in and out in a year. Oh, dreamy. Right, come on then, let's get these materials offloaded. Anyway, delivery's gone. We're just loading in the tiles. And we're going to be sticking them inside. In here, my darlings. So we've got our timber offloaded, we've got our battens, we've got our loft roll, and we've got our tiles all ready and waiting. Very prepared, because in a couple of weeks' time, or a week or so time, whenever it'll be, we're going to get these installed.
Said, oh, don't let these get wet though.
No, you can't let
them. Not get them wet. Oh, where do you think they're now? Right, on the outside.
They're roof tiles, babe.
Oh my god, they're really wet.
They're roof tiles. They're roof tiles, sweetheart. So that is going to replace that, basically. So similar but different. Obviously that's painted, that's not painted. That's new, that's not new. So they're going to go up there like that. And then when we repaint all that, we'll take that down. That'll be black and that'll be dash, and I think that will look really nice. It goes well with the brickwork. So yeah, hoping that looks nice. Right, let's get these done, and then we're going to go and get a bit of Donald's.
So we've just given Brad our McDonald's order.
I don't think he's happy.
And I don't think he's happy because he sent this voice note.
This is the list. Before we show the voice note, this is the list.
Yeah, this is the list.
Bruv, you lot are on a wind up with the 2 chicken mayos, the triple cheeseburgers and burgers, innit? Swear to God, you fat lot, mate. Steve-O's the only sensible one out of the lot of you.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Why is he being so rude?
Is he calling you fat as
I've
well?
got 5 chicken selects and 2 hamburgers.
Oh, you got 2?
I got 5 chicken selects, 2 chicken mayos. You got a triple cheeseburger and a large quarter pounder.
Yeah, boy. Do a little update, bro.
Yeah, so just doing the render carrier boards on the front. We're just putting some battens through there. Try to put some down, but we want a perimeter one all the way around. You see that here?
Oh yeah.
So ideally one wanted to go first all the way through and then bring those battens down to it. But it's all good, we add those ones in. I don't know how well you can hear me in this mask, but done that side. Obviously just got to do the bottom one. but we just got that detailing to do so we can achieve our airflow. So we're just leaving those just so we can get a good amount on today, gets us ahead for next week.
That looks that looks solid. That looks great, doesn't it?
It does look really good.
Pouring down with rain, skips here, food's here. I think you want to go and eat your food.
Ben boy.
Well, mate.
How you getting on, mate?
Good job.
Yeah, not bad, brother.
We've got time, brother.
Oh, let me send me them videos in a bit.
I'm going to send you them videos. I've done a little bit of vlogging on my phone while we was out on the other job, which
Oh,
you're going
yeah?
to see in this episode.
Mm.
The Brad Cam.
Bread cam.
Come to the conclusion we don't need you.
Okay.
I've
I'll
done
go
it.
home then, shall I?
Well, to be
Not
fair,
yet,
then,
not yet. Finish.
You might as well finish the week up, bro.
Yeah.
Best day to get sacked a Friday.
Yeah.
It's true, yeah.
We can sort it out, but we can sort it out by Monday. Get a new one.
Alright, it's pretty.
He wants to go home early anyway.
I was on
I
that.
didn't
bro.
actually.
But we got the substitute
Yeah.
already.
Brad Cam, I was
Who's
like,
that?
yo people. Hi guys, like and subscribe our YouTube channel. What's happening? Your question then, why are you doing it so high? Because you got to make yourself a little bit flattering, bruv. You don't need to be up close and personal like that with a phone, bro. Look, you're the worst cameraman for being close.
Yeah, you're good. You're a good cameraman, but you're always like.
And you are a slow editor though.
Yeah, that's true.
Wait, yep. Okay. Go.
One edit, cuz this week, like you took like 5 nights. I don't understand why you took so long.
Every day.
And it's not bad. It's a good edit, yeah, and it looks really great and that. You've done a great job, but Jesus, bro, like you can't just.
Could have done the Star Wars movie in the time you edited that.
Dad liked the front of this one, so we're gonna surprise him while he's in a meeting and do the front of that one.
So you can see the full effect.
And then he comes down like,
And
that is not the reaction I anticipated.
What for this? I just did it back there actually.
What?
When I pulled in, I said, yes, he's done the front. He's done the front. Sam said you wouldn't. Sam said you was going to carry on round. I said, nah, he knows what the front does.
What's with all the Ben hate today? What's going on?
Sorry, Ben. We love you.
Oh, mate, I was joking. It's Friday, we're tired. Someone's got to get
Yeah,
it.
so am I.
And Steve-O is going to exit the lump.
I'm really excited.
I actually can't contain myself.
Okay.
Right, you ready, Steve-O?
3, 2, 1.
Hello ladies, I'm Steve from Brighton. I'm 32 years young, trapped in a 64-year-old body, and I've got a tool for your every need.
Why does he look more like Brad?
He don't want no one seeing him.
Cheers, Steve.
Cheers.
Oh, I got a bad back. You know, when you laugh too hard, you got a bad back.
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
I was expecting the slow leg out was
The leg done me at first, and I thought it maybe was just because he's an old boy and he couldn't get out. Oh, right. Another week done, another episode done. Ben has got to go because him and his lovely girlfriend are going away for the weekend, for a few hours over the weekend. You're going to a little hot tub and that?
yeah.
Beautiful. You enjoy yourself, mate. Thanks for a good week.
Yeah.
Worked hard, as always. Until Monday, I guess.
Till Monday.
And then we resume. We're back at the house. And then I think we might be at Shah's as well, but I can't remember. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because 76% of you don't bother subscribing. It's free. Click the little subscribe button, do us a favour, and we can create more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Just like to say thanks again to our series partner Markel Direct, a fast and easy, hassle-free business insurance tailored to your trade.
Get a quote at markeluk.com/ball builders.